Welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video we are going to see how to prepare bajra idli, tomato gravy and bajra idli patta using mixer. Let's see how to prepare. Soak 500 gram of idli rice in water for 8 hours, 150 gram of urad dal in water for 2 hours and 150 gram of bajra in water for 8 hours. First we need to prepare bajra idli patta. In a mixie jar, add urad dal and grind it. Add water little by little and grind it. The batter should be thick. This is the consistency of urad dal. It should be very fine batter. Transfer this batter into big vessel. Next add the bajra into mixie jar and grind it. Add half tablespoon of salt. This salt is for all batter. Add little water and grind it to fine batter. This is the consistency of bajra batter. It should be very fine batter. Add little water and grind the remaining rice. This is the consistency of rice batter. It should be very thick. It should be medium fine. I am using 300 ml of water for grinding bajra, rice and urad dal. Mix well the batter for 5 minutes. This is the consistency of batter. Close and rest it for 8 to 12 hours. See, it is fermented well. See, the batter is very soft. Mix well. Now we can make bajra idli. In an idli plate, add the batter. Now we can steam cook the bajra idli. I am using pressure cooker. Pressure cook it for 4 whistles. If you have separate idli pan, use it. Otherwise follow the same. Whistles are settled. Now we can open the pressure cooker. Check the idli whether properly cooked or not. Idli is cooked well. Now we can remove from the idli plate. Add little cold water and take it out from the plate. See, the idli is cooked well and very soft in the bottom plate also. Soft and tasty bajra idli is ready. Now we can prepare the tomato gravy for bajra idli. Switch on the stove, heat pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Add a few curry leaves and saute well. Add 1 chopped big onion and few small onions. Small onion is optional. Once onion becomes golden brown, add the chopped tomatoes. I am using 4 tomatoes. Add half tablespoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you like green chili, add it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder or curry masala powder. Mix well. Close the pan and cook for 5 minutes in sim flame. Open the lid and add 1 tumbler of water. Mix well. Again close the lid and cook for 7 minutes. Now the tomato is cooked well. Check the salt and add according to your taste. Use the masher and mash the tomatoes and switch off the stove. That's it. Tasty and soft bajra idli and tomato gravy is ready. See, the idli is cooked well and it is very soft. You can have any side dish for this bajra idli. You can also try this bajra idli and tomato gravy at your home. If you like this video, like and share. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. If you have any doubt and how it is came, tell to me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.